Hello, I'm joined today by Binder Joka from Mozambique Telecom. Hello.
Hello.
Maybe just start off, tell us what your job title is and what you do at the company.
Yeah, so I'm the CEO of the company, Chief Operational Officer of TMCell company, Mozambique Telecom.
Okay, now I think we're going to head off to Huawei's extended virtual reality studio. So how did TMCell build its excellent 5G network in Mozambique?
So, well, TMCell is a first mobile operator in Mozambique. So we started working with Huawei 3 years ago for the first phases of the modernization of our network. We started with the core. So we prepared the core very well 3 years ago, and we did some swap sites in Maputo and Matola. So at that time, the core, we prepared it to be ready for the 5G. So it's easy for TMCell from now to provide this service.
And what is your opinion towards the implementation of 5G by TMCell in Mozambique?
Yes, so I think it is good for our customer. We have to provide very good and quality service. We have to provide very good customer experience. But now that the company is focused to modernize with 4G to all the country. So since last month, one month ago, we started modernization all the country. We are swapping the sites, the old sites. We are putting the new sites. Now the company is focused to 4G, but at the same time we are preparing something for 5G.
Okay, I think that leads us on to our next question. What are your future plans for 5G at TMCell?
Some sites is already ready. The signal is on air, but now we are preparing the ceremony to launch a satellite zone with 5G. So we have a plan to extend for all the country, but for now we are focused for a satellite zone, satellite city for 5G. But some site is on air now already.
Okay, that's great to hear about 5G developments in Mozambique. Thank you very much.
Thank you.